Hey, this is Sean from Grid 7, and I'm going to show you a quick walkthrough on how to use the iMacros extension that I made if you need to register a bunch of leads. So this simplifies the process. Basically, I put this little syllabus here that we'll use to go through this. So what does it do? It's useful for anyone if you're an Infusionsoft referral partner and you have you use Infusionsoft yourself to track your own leads, and then you have to go and basically register those with Infusionsoft to get credit for them. And so it simplifies that process. Normally, the way I do it is, this is my instance, if I have a meaningful conversation with someone, they seem like a good candidate, I'll come in here and I'll say add contact, add them as a lead here, but then I'll also have to go into Infusionsoft and say, add my referral partner code, and then come in here and then re-enter all their data here and register them. And so this is a macro that actually does all that work. Oh, and then I'll also come back and I'll tag them as being registered, so I remember that. So this does all those processes, and if you can work on a whole file of like 100 leads if you want to do it. So let's go through how to do that. If you're not installing iMacros, they make this for both Firefox as well as Chrome. I'm using Firefox right now, but you could also get the Chrome one. iMacros Firefox extension. So go get this if you don't already have it, and you basically just click Add to Firefox. This little dialog pops up, and then just say Install. So I've already got it. Once you install it, you get this little icon up here. And if you open that, then this is the panel over here for iMacros. And you can see this is it comes with a set of demo extensions that are right there. So next thing to do is to actually get the iMacro that I wrote. And I'll link it from this blog post, but if you're seeing this in the wild, you can just go to GitHub. And I'm scrolling on Dubs is my username on GitHub. And then it's this project, Infusionsoft lead iMacro. Alright, so to download it, right here, downloads, click on that, and then you can get it as a zip file. And yeah, save that file. Alright, and so I'm going to take that file and just bring it on my desktop and then unzip it. Okay, so it's composed of two files here that download. It's the sample lead file. This is where you actually put your leads, and then this is the iMacro. So let's move this one. I'm on a Mac, so I can just go Spotlight, show me the iMacros folder. There it is, and I want to put that file into that directory. So there it is. And then if we open our browser again, we have to refresh it here. You can see there it is. There's the iMacro. Alright, so the next step is to configure this, because this is going to have some default settings and we need to make this our own. So let's go in here, highlight it, click Edit, and then click this button, Edit Macro. It's going to pop open a window, and then don't get alarmed by all this code. We only have to change a few things. So on lines 9, this is going to be the path to where you put your comma-separated list of leads. And so I'm going to actually put mine, I'm just going to put it in my downloads directory. There. And then I'm going to go get the file path on this file. So say get info, and then grab that. And this will be different. If you're working on a PC, it'll look a little different. So go in here and substitute that right there. Alright, then lines 12 and 13, we need to change this, and then we need to put in the name of our Infusionsoft application. So that's this first part here. Grab that, and then we'll substitute that on these two lines. And then last thing, I don't need to change this because it's already got my referral partner code there, but you're going to go to line 29, and then this is the code that you use to log in. If you go, it's basically this number right here. And if you don't have that, I think you can look it up. Actually, if you go to register a new lead, they've got a little link there. You can look your code up using that. Alright, so now that we've got all that done, let's add a sample lead to that leads file. And so I'm going to go back and open that up. Here it is in my downloads directory. Let's open that whatever text editor I use, TextMate. So you can see first name, last name, company, title, phone, website, email, blah, 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 the standard stuff. So delete that. That's just to show you the format, and I'm going to use, I've already added one. So this is a lady I met yesterday who seems like a good candidate. Save that file, and we are now ready to run the macro to show you how this works. Alright, so again, this is presuming that you're already logged in. If you're not already logged into your Infusionsoft instance, you'll want to do that. And then once you are, just go here to highlight the iMacro, go to play, and then if you've just got one, you can just click play. But if you've, let's say you went to a conference and you've got 100 people you just met in that CSV, you're going to want to say play as a loop and then set this max to however many records you've got in that CSV. So it works both ways. I'll just play it as a loop, but there's only one in there right now. So here's how it works. Close tabs. Oh, so I don't think we saved it. My bad. Go back here. I forgot to tell you. So we made these edits, but we never saved it. Click Save and Close, and now we're ready to run it. All right, so what it's doing now, it's logging in, it's going to add a new record, it's entering all of her contact info, it's now tagging her as a registered lead, and then it's going to go out and open up login as an affiliate, and then it's going to enter her info there, and it's going to click register as lead. And so there you can see it did all that work for us. If we had 100 leads, it would have done that for all 100. So it's a super time saver, and it just works off that CSV file. So hope you found this useful. The selfish, I guess shameless plug here is we are Grid 7. We do Infusionsoft work, and we're always looking for consultants who are good. We get we refer out a lot of our business. So if you are a certified Infusionsoft consultant and want to be in our referral network, just come in here to our website, click this link at the bottom, and we'd love to have you. So go in there and then just fill out the form on this page with your data, and we'll get back to you. So hopefully you found this useful, and subscribe to our blog if you haven't already, and we'll have more stuff like this soon. Cheers.